Sunrooms, often referred to as solariums or conservatories, are a beautiful way to bring the outdoors inside while enjoying the comfort of your home. They provide a unique space that can serve multiple purposes, from a cozy reading nook to an entertainment area. When it comes to furnishing and decorating a sunroom, the choices can be overwhelming. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will explore various furniture options, decor ideas, and design tips to help you create a modern sunroom that reflects your style and enhances your living space. Before diving into specific furniture and decor ideas, it's essential to understand the unique characteristics of a sunroom. Typically filled with large windows, sunrooms are designed to maximize natural light. They can be standalone structures or integrated into the main house. Here are some key considerations. Lighting: the abundant natural light can make colors appear brighter and more vibrant. Choose materials and colors that complement this feature. Climate control: depending on your location, consider how temperature changes will affect your sunroom. Use appropriate window treatments to manage heat and glare. Functionality: decide how you want to use the sunroom, whether as a relaxation space, a dining area, or a workspace. This will guide your furniture choices. When selecting furniture for your sunroom, comfort and style should be your top priorities. Here are some modern furniture ideas that work well in a sunroom setting. Seating options. Sectional sofas: a modern sectional sofa can provide ample seating while creating a cozy atmosphere. Opt for light, neutral fabrics that reflect the airy feel of the sunroom. Lounge chairs: incorporate stylish lounge chairs with sleek lines. Materials like rattan or metal with cushions and vibrant colors can add a contemporary touch. Hammocks or hanging chairs: for a relaxed vibe, consider adding a hammock or a hanging chair. These pieces not only look great but also invite relaxation. Ottomans: use ottomans as additional seating or footrests. Choose ones with storage capabilities to keep the space organized. Tables. Coffee tables: a modern coffee table can serve as a focal point in the room. Look for designs in glass or wood with clean lines. Side tables: incorporate side tables next to seating areas for convenience. Choose unique shapes or materials to add interest. Dining tables: if you plan to use the sunroom for dining, select a table that suits your style, whether it's a sleek glass table or a rustic wooden one. Storage solutions. Shelving units: open shelving can display decorative items or plants while keeping the space airy. Choose minimalist designs that don't overwhelm the room. Baskets: woven baskets can be both decorative and functional, providing storage for blankets or magazines. Cabinets. If you need more substantial storage, consider low-profile cabinets that blend seamlessly with your decor. Color palettes and textiles. Color plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your sunroom. Here are some ideas for modern color palettes and textiles. Neutral tones. White and gray: a classic choice for modern interiors. White and gray create a clean backdrop that allows natural light to shine through. Add texture with various fabrics like linen or cotton. Beige and taupe: these warm neutrals can make the space feel inviting while maintaining a contemporary look. Bold colors. Accent walls: consider painting one wall in a bold color like teal or mustard yellow to create a striking focal point. Cushions and throws: use colorful cushions and throws to inject personality into your sunroom without overwhelming the space. Patterns and textures. Geometric patterns: incorporate geometric patterns through rugs or cushions for a modern twist. Natural textures: combine smooth surfaces with natural textures like jute rugs or wicker furniture to create balance. Incorporating nature. The primary purpose of a sunroom is to connect with nature, so incorporating natural elements is essential. Indoor plants. Potted plants: choose a variety of indoor plants that thrive in bright light, such as succulents, snake plants, or fiddle leaf figs. Hanging planters: utilize vertical space by hanging planters from the ceiling or walls for an eye-catching display. Terrariums: create miniature gardens within glass containers for a unique decor piece that adds life to your sunroom. Natural materials. Wood accents: incorporate wooden furniture or accents to bring warmth to the space. Consider reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly option. Stone elements: use stone tabletops or decorative stones to enhance the natural feel of the room. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Window treatments. Since sunrooms have extensive windows, choosing the right window treatments is vital for light control and privacy. Shades and blinds. Roller shades. Simple roller shades offer easy light control while maintaining a sleek appearance. Roman shades. These provide a softer look and can be made from various fabrics to match your decor. Curtains. Sheer curtains. Lightweight sheer curtains allow natural light to filter through while providing some privacy. Layered treatments. Consider layering curtains with blinds for flexibility in controlling light and privacy. Lighting solutions. While natural light is abundant during the day, consider additional lighting options for evenings. Ceiling fixtures. Chandeliers. A modern chandelier can serve as a stunning centerpiece in larger sunrooms. Pendant lights. Hang pendant lights over dining tables or seating areas for focused illumination. Floor lamps. Arc floor lamps. These stylish lamps can provide ambient lighting without taking up too much space. Table lamps. Use table lamps on side tables for added warmth and functionality. Personal touches and accessories. Adding personal touches will make your sunroom feel like home. Artwork. Framed prints. Choose modern art prints that resonate with you and complement your color scheme. Gallery wall. Create a gallery wall with a mix of artwork and personal photos for a personalized touch. Decorative accents. Vases and sculptures. Select unique vases or sculptures that reflect your style and enhance the decor. Bookshelves. Fill bookshelves with books, decorative objects, and plants to create an inviting atmosphere. Multifunctional spaces. If space allows, consider designing your sunroom as a multifunctional area. Home office nook. Desk setup. Incorporate a small desk and ergonomic chair for a bright workspace that inspires creativity. Storage solutions. Use stylish storage solutions to keep office supplies organized without cluttering the space. Play area for kids. Play furniture. Add kid-friendly furniture like small tables and chairs where children can play or do crafts. Soft flooring. Consider adding soft rugs or foam tiles for safety and comfort during playtime. Seasonal decor changes. To keep your sunroom feeling fresh throughout the year, consider changing decor seasonally. Spring/summer. Bright colors. Embrace vibrant colors with floral patterns in cushions and decor items. Light fabrics. Swap heavier fabrics for lighter ones to maintain an airy feel. Fall/winter. Warm tones. Incorporate warm hues like burnt orange or deep red through throws and pillows. Cozy textiles. Use heavier fabrics like wool or velvet to create warmth during colder months. Maintenance tips. To keep your sunroom looking its best, regular maintenance is essential. Cleaning windows. Ensure windows are clean to maximize natural light. Consider professional cleaning if necessary. Furniture care. Regularly dust furniture and clean fabrics according to their care instructions to maintain their appearance. Plant care. Keep indoor plants healthy by monitoring their watering needs and ensuring they receive adequate sunlight. Creating a modern sunroom involves thoughtful planning around furniture selection, color palettes, natural elements, lighting solutions, and personal touches that reflect your style. By considering how you want to use the space and incorporating these ideas, you can transform your sunroom into an inviting retreat that enhances your home's overall aesthetic while providing comfort and functionality throughout the year. With careful attention to detail and an eye for design, Your sunroom can become one of the most cherished spaces in your home, a perfect blend of indoor comfort and outdoor beauty that invites relaxation, creativity, and connection with nature. Dear viewers, there you have them. Do you like today's content? If you do, please tell us what you like about them. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. And please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. And like and share this video to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We will show you furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and enjoy uniquely transform your living spaces or office. Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.